come here. Here's your 60-second food facts. Today, we're going to be talking about the differences between a roux and a slurry. A roux is equal parts fat and flour. Whether or not it's duck fat, bacon fat, butter, you need equal parts of the fat and the flour. You combine those together in a pan, and that becomes the base of whatever you're going to use that is going to be thickened later. A slurry, on the other hand, is used to finish. So a slurry would be cornstarch and water. That cornstarch and water mixture is mixed together until it creates a paste, and then you add that paste into your soup, and it will thicken it up. The one thing you have to remember about whether or not you're using a slurry or a roux is that none of it will come to its full thickening power until you boil it. And there's your 60-second food facts. If you want to hear more, make sure you like, follow, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, baby. And comment any questions you have down below. Thank you.